It is low in the efficiency of traditional preheating. High cost. High risk. Is it difficult to control and has a headache? Today I will introduce you to a powerful faction that can completely solve these problems. Medium frequency induction heating power supply. The principle of electromagnetic induction heating is adopted. It's like an induction cooker at home. Let the metal heat up quickly. Thermal efficiency exceeds 95%. More energy efficient than traditional methods. More environmentally friendly. Safer. It's simple to use. Full mold screen control. It's like a big screen board. There are 2 modes available. Actual control mode. This is the simplest. You tell it how many degrees do you want to add, how long to dry, then launch with 1 click. After doing it, it will stop on its own. This is best suited for the usual standard preheating. An hour temperature control mode. This is advanced. You can draw a polar line for temperature climbing. Set up to 8 temperature points and time points. For example, spend an hour to increase to 200 degrees. Then after 2 hours of insulation. After slowly cooling down. You don't have to worry about it at all. The system will keep an eye on the temperature changes. Automatic heating. Ensure that the whole process is perfect. This is most suitable for the Han dynasty that requires precise heating. Heat treatment process for heat preservation and cooling. All temperature data will be recorded throughout the process. Then we connect the external USB flash drive. Export with 1 click. In this way, what is the temperature curve of each job? It's all clear. Facilitate retrospective analysis and cooperation. Quality reporting. This is a good partner for it. Flexible heating bag. Made of fireproof and high temperature resistant materials. It can be tiled and bent. It can fit a wide range of complex welds tightly. Cable as standard. It can be pulled up to 80 meters. You can leave the console in a safe and clean place. Remote operation is both secure and convenient. A single machine can handle welds up to 15 meters long. You can do long and warm work. If you are propagating wind turbine tower barrels and pressure vessels, bridge steel structure and other fields, there is a need for welding preheating or heat treatment. It is your reliable partner in improving efficiency and ensuring quality. For more technical details or to get more customized solutions, please feel free to contact us.